From morning coffee to bedtime binge-watching, M6 shapes how millions of French viewers see the world. With 13 TV channels, 3 radio stations, and a streaming empire. But behind the scenes, they faced a challenge: scattered reporting, unclear carbon emissions, and compliance deadlines looming. M6 made a bold choice to get ahead of regulations, not chase them. With kShuttle's EXRP platform, M6 turned sustainability reporting from burden into strategic advantage. The extended regulatory platform, EXRP, centralized their applications and streamlined both financial and sustainability reporting. M6 Group didn't wait for CSRD deadlines. They structured everything early and gained a competitive edge. Our platform gave M6 tailored frameworks that spoke their language, connecting audience impact with environmental responsibility. For carbon management, M6 gained precision across their entire media ecosystem, from studios to streaming servers. Every piece of their data now has complete traceability, making audits smooth sailing and stakeholders confident. M6 went from spreadsheet juggling to sustainability leadership in months, not years. Now they're planning their carbon-neutral future with real-time simulations and measurable milestones. M6 didn't just solve their reporting, they became the blueprint for how media companies can lead sustainability. EXRP by kShuttle. One platform, one truth.